Hey, what is going on, y'all? In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We took a little bit of a road trip to Baltimore. I'm a huge Raiders fan, as you know, and I'm here for the Raiders-Ravens. There's going to be all kinds of random footage here about Baltimore. If you're looking for somewhere to travel that has everything you want to do, food, entertainment, the whole 9 yards, check out Baltimore. It's definitely worth it, especially if you're on the East Coast. Let's go! Hey, so like I said, we're here in Baltimore, and I'm going to be getting some drone footage of this beautiful location, showing it from a different view for you. Let's go ahead and get the drone up in the air. It is a beautiful morning here in Baltimore, and this is our second day, but I'm going to be grabbing footage and hopping on this Lime scooter real quick. As we do, we get around on all kinds of wheels on Geo rides. Let's go ahead and take a short tour of Baltimore. They're really proud of the Charm City. Definitely gotta like having a little bit of city pride. Shark over there.
Yeah.
There's another one right there. Yeah, probably. Oh!
I see that one spotted. Those ones, the smaller ones. It's just a sea monster.
Mm-hmm. says. It's right there on the far right side. I just can't read what it says. What it is, right there.
Large tooth sausage.
Oh, okay. Oh, I did get that right. Yeah.
Are we going to go see the rest of the aquarium now? I know, I could sit here all day. We could sit here all day, but we
First floor.
Hey, what is going on, y'all? We are here at the Raiders Ravens, getting in this traveling chip for Geo Rides. Yeah, it's in the Chevy Silverado, but it's all good. Couldn't take the bike on this trip. Let's enjoy this game. Let's go, Raiders. This your ride? Yeah. Oh man, that's fine, Hey, like I said in the open, this video is a little bit different than the other things I've done. I've done one other video where I shot exclusively with the DJI OSMO Action 4, and you can check that video out right here. We went to Toronto, Niagara Falls, and Watkins Glen, New York, and I shot everything on that. So then, again, I love the Action 4, and I definitely recommend it. But then also I had my DJI Mini 3 Pro that I took my overhead drone shots on in this video as well. It was an absolute blast. We had a blast at the football game. Even though this is a Ravens flag that they gave me on the way in, I always get a souvenir when I leave the games. The Raiders took the victory, 26-23, and I couldn't have been happier. Had an absolute blast. And I'm gonna try to sneak me in another game this year. We'll see how that goes. But anyway, to wrap this video up, I wanna thank you for watching till the end by putting up this gift card. You can go buy something from Amazon using my affiliate links on my other videos. Again, I want to thank you for watching till the end. I want you to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to always ride as if your life depends on it. Peace.